In a battle of relegation-threatened clubs, Molyne United and Harbour did themselves no favours as the two played out a 2-2 draw in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at the Jerusalem Stadium earlier on Monday. The game was 5 minutes old when Ronaldo Bennett sent Molyne United in front. Harbour were now staring down the barrel when Nicholas Nelson made it 2-0 with another 4 minutes added. But the Stars of the East fought back through dead ball specialist Trayvon Reed to cut the deficit to 2-1 in the 28th minute. Molyne had a setback on the stroke of half-time when midfielder Damar McLaughlin, who was initially shown a yellow card, saw it quickly changed to red. And with the numerical advantage, Harbour hit back to pull level in the 82nd minute through Rashane Thompson. However, Harbour will be without their talisman Reed for their next game, as his yellow card in stoppage time was also upgraded to red.